and hum songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon.
Whispers of the city, secrets they keep underneath the street lamp, steady burn. Life's a game of dice, waiting your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Tells tales on the subway line. Lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. In the court of kings, street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. City lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune, dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing, in the chest waves break. Still drowning in your name. Every breath